Roserocket is a transportation management software for trucking and logistics companies. As a modern cloud-based TMS, we're an all-in-one solution for you and everyone in your freight network. Roserocket manages your entire business from quote to cash and improves efficiency while bettering customer service. Single source of truth for all orders. The Roserocket TMS keeps you and your team organized by being the single source of truth for all of your orders. It keeps track of everything that happens on a load, from order details, order history, documents, conversations, and more, so your team is always on the same page. Since all the information is in one system, you can generate real-time reports to help you make decisions that improve the profitability of your business. Automate every part of the transportation process. Roserocket has built-in smart automation that helps automate every part of the transportation process. Our most loved automation is the Roserocket Order Bot, which scans broker rate confirmations to book orders in seconds. Integrate with any system. Roserocket has an open architecture that allows you to connect to any system you need. Our one-click integrations allow you to easily connect to your accounting, telematics, load boards, or carrier compliance software to bring data into the TMS. Collaborate with customers, drivers, and partners. Roserocket's collaboration tools help you work better with your team and your freight network to differentiate you in the market and better retain drivers and service customers. Customer Portal. The Customer Portal is a piece of your TMS technology that you can give to your customers. It enables them to do actions like track and trace their load, download important documents, manage their orders, and chat directly with your team. Driver Mobile App. The Roserocket Driver Mobile App makes your drivers' lives easier while improving communications with dispatch. From the app, drivers will be able to see all stops, chat with dispatch, capture proof of pickup and proof of delivery, record accessorials, and more. Partner Portal. The Roserocket Partner Portal is a great tool if you work with partner carriers to transport loads. It allows your partner carriers to see and manage all of the loads they're moving for you, upload proof of pickup and proof of delivery, and chat with your team directly in context of the shipment. Best of all, it is cloud-based, which makes your data more secure while allowing your team to access the software from anywhere without servers or VPNs. By putting collaboration and communication first, Roserocket future-proofs your trucking or logistics business by being able to grow with you into the next 5 years and beyond. To see Roserocket in action, book a demo at www.roserocket.com.